All right, guys, we up in here, man. With Bishop.
What's going on, brother?
We got a little unboxing to do. We got a little something down here.
Yeah, something for the course racing. Got a little bit of course racing bug in me now too. So we're gonna see what we got in here for the 2023 season.
2023 season.
So currently doing the open Baja class with my Raleigh.
Which I am hearing that they're supposed to be in an MCD class this year, I think.
Okay.
I think they're going to do an MCD class this year, too.
It's growing. It's been growing. That's one that has been growing. I mean, last year was my first year doing it. And it was great. Like I started out kind of like putting around, and then eventually towards the end of the season, having more control over my car, so I worked out. So
and that was with the XR5.
Yeah, XR5 Raleigh.
The Raleigh MCD XR5 from Cardinal Racing.
Yeah.
We got this box here. So I guess we'll see what's up, yo. You need something to open it up with?
I think I should be okay.
You got it?
Yeah, this time.
You already went in this joint, right?
Well, yeah, I had to go in.
You already went in to grab the
I had to go in and take the body out.
All right.
Towards it, and you just send that and get it twisted and doing what we do with the bodies. So that'll be for another day.
Let's see what we got. So it's a big box, so you know it's a car inside.
Yeah, so we got.
But not a really big box.
Nah,
What's that?
not really a big box. These are the tires, you know.
Hey, coming all packaged up. PMT.
Yeah.
Oh, snap. Supreme for fifth scale touring cars.
Yep.
Soft rubber.
Yep.
PO2s. They both same front and rear.
Yeah, front and rear, yeah.
All right. So that means you got what? If they're both the same, that means you got a four-wheel drive?
Well, that's how he did it, but I'll get some other tires. These could just be for, if they're the softer ones, I'll keep them in the rear or whatever. And then get some little harder ones from the front. So all the
What's this?
bumpers. That's one of the bags.
Oh, okay. Bumper and this is a slick part right here. This actually, you can actually mark and cut your wheel arches out with this.
Good.
So depending upon if you got the 510 body length or the 550, and I think they got 535 in here also. Yep, there's the 535 also. So you put it up against the, I don't know, don't ask me how you do it, but I watched the video on it. It's pretty cool, you know. And so keep this, like I said, I mean, I don't know, I guess does the body come cut? So, it don't come cut out, you not? So yeah, so you got to use this. So this is a pretty cool part.
Yeah, now, the body I got is the Audi 8. Was it the A3? I think it's the BMW or one of those bodies. Like I think the Audi A3 body or the Audi body.
All right, bet.
Body. Yeah.
And then this has the like a diffuser in here for the front splitter. Yeah. Some wing parts and pieces.
Yeah. So keep it simple. For the bumper.
All right. You got this the foam for
the
front bumper.
Front bumper.
Oh man, syringes.
Pieces I don't like.
For the brakes. That's for the brakes and stuff.
Air filter.
There's air filter.
Yeah, filter. Yeah, for the air filter.
That tube type intake.
Yeah. So the car basically comes as a roller, but I got everything except for the.
There it is. Bobby Bucks, eat your heart out, baby. All right, so this is what is this?
The Duox.
This is the Duox.
Yes.
Oh snap!
Yeah, I didn't think I was
two-wheel drive jump.
Yeah, I didn't think I was gonna try to make that jump, but I mean we've been MCD rocking and rolling, so I was like, if I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna go in.
So you got the MCD Duox.
Yep.
Two-wheel drive platform, 535 wheelbase.
Yep. These are some brake covers or more stuff.
That's the just like check-off sheet.
Check-off sheet. It was one of the check-off.
Oh, okay, yeah. Check-off sheet.
Check-off sheet.
Yep.
So everything. This is the other sheet. This is the real check-off sheet. So you know, I got the pipe, the clutch, the wheels, the air filter. I definitely went with his engine, the Evo 23 or whatever. And now basically after this is gonna be time for some braking. Hopefully the body will be back in a decent amount of time, but for the most part.
Body be back from where?
Barry Gamble, who did your Juggernaut, which is right there.
All right.
So, you know, my theme is Joker. So since it's a little smaller, I say the Joker needs a little sidekick or a little something to help it with. So you're gonna probably hit it with the.
So you giving out too much information.
That's
huh?
cool, brother. You gotta
giving out too much information. You gotta make him come back. You gotta say, look, Barry G gonna do some vicious paint, and he gonna come back, and he gonna do a, we're gonna come back and do an unboxing on that, so we can see it. Well, actually, when that time that comes back, we'll probably be ready to start doing some breaking and stuff.
Yeah,
you got a brand new engine in this thing.
Yeah,
also.
So I gotta get it all squared away.
Only thing take that joint out.
Yeah, I'm about to.
Vicious.
Yeah. Oh shoot.
Oh, what's this?
One of the mounts, like a body, like a
body mount.
Body mount, yeah.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so we got some more parts and pieces and instructions.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is. What's this for? Ladder.
I'll open it up.
Clutch maybe? I don't know. And then we got another body mount here. And then we got the Duox MCD instruction manual, which is probably some garbage, like they always are. So.
I did a tutorial.
Yep, that's usually always garbage. All right, man. We got the, look at that joint, man. Got the brake rotors on there, calipers.
Smooth.
Got the Evo G4Z. I'm assuming a 23.
23, yep.
All right.
Yep. Kept it simple.
Got the hydraulic brake system on here. Oh, that's hot. Yes, I guess this is for the
battery.
Okay, for the battery tray?
Yeah, battery.
Well, I guess that's the battery tray, I guess.
Battery tray, yeah.
What is this?
That's
like a catch can or something? For
like it's overflow or something.
Dang, so the regular MCD, they don't just go right to the track. It goes up, goes straight down here. Here they got it, goes up to this, and then from there it comes down and spits out onto the side.
I haven't seen that before.
Yeah, I think I've seen it on a few other cars that race in like Europe and stuff.
Oh yeah,
they have all that stuff.
Yeah, when you have him put it together, he be putting all kind of extra stuff on there. Like I was like, all right, give me everything put together. Like he just did his thing.
So we got the open diff design here.
Yeah.
So we got the pinion here. We got another gear. I don't know. I guess it's called a spur gear that comes off of the pinion. Then you got a changeover gear on the backside that's smaller, and then you got the planetary gear here. There's a lot of stuff going on back here, bro.
There's a lot of stuff. Trying to figure out which carb I got too. I think I had the 11 or no, I think it's 11.
Right there.
But
we got the Samba pipe.
Yeah, titanium. I didn't want to go titanium. I've still been buying it. It's still been.
It look good, but that joint you'd have been still paying for that.
I still been like, I got how much more? How much more?
Yo, this is hype. Yeah. Little baby shocks on it. I'm not used to this. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not used to a small fifth scale, but this is definitely you'll be out there competing with them boys up there in the FGs out there. That's pretty much that's all that's in that class, I think.
Yeah, all FGs. Yeah.
Yep. So look at this. No, I mean it's got a nice sway bar right here.
Yep.
I ain't never seen nothing like this.
I know that's sway bar. I figured that when we had his little his unboxing when he did his little video. I watched the video a couple times. With his video a couple times.
Now then you can just change just these parts, this part right here, instead of that whole sway bar.
Yep.
So you can just change just the parts that come out to the end links.
Yep.
Oh baby MCD shot.
I don't think I haven't really had a car that's all like.
That's like the ultimate.
Yeah, I was like, damn.
Yeah, it's like the ultimate. Got the MCD gold all over it.
Yeah.
Yep, 23 Evo.
Yep. So I got all the receivers. all the servos forward. Yeah, that's basically all I had. And I gotta get a battery, and I got a receiver and
kill switch already installed.
No, not installed, but I gotta have to install it.
So you gotta pull it.
Yeah,
pull this
I have to play it on side just so I can get to it. And
that's cool because like I said, it's on the side. So
yeah, just
take these screws out here.
Yeah, and that'll be a little. Little learning curve. You can this this is the basic one.
Yeah.
But they got the carbon, the carbon fiber one.
Yeah,
I get the upgraded one, but
all in due time. This is hot. This is real hot. I can't wait to see this out there.
So what I would like to do eventually too is you can put it on your table. So I think last year when we was out there, I didn't even think about like my toe on the camera, make sure
put it on the setup table.
Put it on the setup table.
Actually, that's sold. Oh. That setup table sold. What's it called? I'm like, so you better get it done now because Mr. Carlton bought that jump.
Oh, okay.
He hit me up like 6 times last night. Like, yo, I need a setup board. He just made me a setup board. I was like, look, man, just come by my joint. I'll build another one. Yeah. So that's sold. So like I said, we'll get it. Like I said, if you want to get it set up before this weekend,
but I guess we'll figure.
We'll definitely get it
set up. So yeah. Because you helped me out a lot last time with the with the Raleigh.
Yeah.
Getting that script.
Yep. This is nice, man.
Appreciate it.
One day I'll be able to get something like this.
You want to go out this door?
No.
Okay, I didn't think so. I didn't think you want to go out this door.
No, bro.
Look, I said, I know too much. Go out this door.
This is sweet, man. So look at that clutch. I ain't never seen nothing like that.
Yeah. It's called a 3-block clutch adjustable.
3-block clutch.
Yeah, I'm not even going to put you this in.
Oh, the Lauterbach.
Yeah.
That's the instruction manual that I in here.
Right there. Okay,
yeah, that's the Lauterbach.
Got you. So that's what he put it on there.
You better figure this stuff out. I can't help you with this one.
Yeah,
I can't help you with this one. This is all you right here.
It's a learning curve.
Yeah, definitely. I mean,
you're out there trying to figure it out. Like.
Definitely. Piston port 23. Ready to rock and roll, man.
Good deal, man. Listen, I'm definitely excited about it too.
Definitely new. It's like an alien in the shop.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah, that's what we do. Bring give people what they want.
Yep. All right. Well, you know what? We gotta.
It's time to rock and roll now.
Yeah, because we ain't got a little bit of time left.
I know.
A little bit of time left before on-road season is on and popping. You probably got about a month.
So it'll probably make it in the next month probably because I definitely want it. And if the body's not back, but I'm still trying, do a.
Barry shouldn't take that long.
Get it all set up. So.
It shouldn't take that long to get the body back. So that's just a matter of time.
Yeah. So trying to get everything else all set up.
So there it is, man. We're going do a little get these things out. We got to finish putting this thing together. We're gonna get this thing out, run some fuel through it. We got to break this engine in. We got to get this thing ready. So you can be riding in two classes.
This year I'll do 2 classes. Yeah.
2 classes.
Yeah. It's 2-wheel in the open or the MCD class.
Yeah. That's what they open MCD class. Whichever one they decide to do.
Yep.
All right, man.
So. Yeah, I'm with you too. It's kind of interesting seeing this small fish.
It's small and big.
I know.
You know what I mean? It's small with they probably same size as the Baja, right?
I guess wheel to wheel probably.
Yeah. I think it's 21 inches wheelbase on the MCD.
Right.
Not MCD, but the 535.
Right.
21 inches. I think that's 22 inches. So it's real close.
Yeah. It just got the Baja just bigger, just wider. Got that stance.
That's pretty.
Yeah. Appreciate it, bro.
All right, man. We got some work to do.
Out.